I'm Jonathan Ballou. I'm the training manager for the ski and snowboard schools of Aspen and Snowmass, and the Alpine Committee Chair for PSIA, and I'm on the New Zealand Technical Committee. For the last several years, I've spent a lot of my time helping people develop simple models for analysis of skiing. So in New Zealand, we call that skier analysis, much like I think it's called that in Basie as well. We call it in PSIA Rocky Mountain Movement Analysis. Analysis is an incredibly important skill to have for any teacher. If you're going to create an individualized, unique lesson to somebody, you have to be able to identify their unique movement patterns and produce an effective result for them based on their wants and their needs, not just what we're working on in our own skiing. Analysis is done for two reasons, really, from an examining perspective. We do analysis so that we reassess analysis and train to analysis so that we can produce an effective lesson plan, and we can see the lesson plan has merit and there was a process that an instructor went through to develop that lesson. The other reason for doing analysis is development and assessment of understanding. Those who analyze skiing, in my experience, those who are better at analyzing skiing are more developmentally minded and have a stronger understanding of their own skiing. Some of the best things that happen when people analyze skiing, I mean truly analyze, let's start with the definition of analysis. Analysis means to break into component parts. That is to say, this is what happened, this is what is happening. There's no judgment in that. This is simply looking at what it is. The best thing that can happen when an instructor analyzes skiing is that they find things that they don't fully understand and it conflicts with their understanding. And that instantly produces a change. Because from there, I'm challenged by what I see, but what I see is what I saw. Therefore, I have to change my understanding based on that. Organizations, in my experience, that embrace analysis are, like the individuals I just mentioned, are more open, more developmentally minded, and produce consistently greater and more innovative, simple technical concepts. I also firmly believe that nobody should be forced to watch skiers and talk technically and analytically about them without mass quantities of beer. So, organizations that also embrace analysis usually embrace beer. That creates a more social and more comfortable environment. With beer comes sarcasm. With sarcasm, you kind of let everything down and you build great friendships.
Awesome.